Here is the Amazon Fire TV. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the TalkBack or voice reader, or you can call it screen reader. Okay, basically I have it on right now, so everywhere you go on the screen.
4 of 13 live. Netflix 6 live.
Okay.
5 of 13.
Anyway, to turn it on or off, we can use the remote here. What you want to do is press and hold the back button, and the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. Okay, so if I want to, I have it on right now. It's called voice view. So back button, menu. If I press and hold both buttons,
Voice view exiting.
okay, so it said voice view exiting, so it's out. If I want to back on, I can click on the back button and menu button again. Back, menu, press and hold both buttons.
Voice view ready. Home 3 of 13.
Okay, now it's back on.
4 of 13.
Okay, now if this doesn't work for you,
Use left and right to.
let me go ahead and turn it off.
Voice view exiting.
Okay, well, another way to get to it too is if you just press on the home button on your remote and then go all the way to the right to the gear icon, the settings. So we're going to go to settings here, and then from here go ahead and go down and go to accessibility down here. Okay, so accessibility right there, click on OK, and then voice views right here. Okay, you can go ahead and turn it, it's off now, we can go ahead and turn it on.
Voice view ready. Voice view screen reader. Voice view.
And tap it again
Voice
to turn it off.
The action. Voice view exiting.
Now it's off. All right, good luck.